Hello dear children, how are you? You all are fine? Okay, thank you. Welcome to Isvidya. So students, already we have read something about the topic Pandit Raghunath Murmu. Today we will learn reading of SGP 3, find out new words or phrases, remembrance of new words or phrases, clarification of new words or phrases, fill in the blanks. So students, now I will read the SGP 3, you listen to me. Paragraph 4. Raghunath Murmu was also a great writer. He had written many plays, novels and poems in Santali. His most important play is Kherwar Veer. Martin Orans, a foreign scholar and writer, called this the Santal Mahabharat. Raghunath was awarded by the Odisha Sahitya Academy for his contribution to Santali language and literature. The government of Odisha has named the medical college at Baripada after his name. What Fakir Mohan Senapati is to Odia language and literature, Raghunath Murmu is to Santali language and literature. So students, let's find out some new words or phrases. Important. Now students, awarded. Now students, contribution. Now students, language and literature. Now students, medical college. It's a noun phrase. Medical is a noun, college is also a noun. So let's know how to remember these new words or phrases more easily. Important. Import, I-M-P-O-R-T, and A-N-T. Now awarded. A-W-A-R-D. Award, E-D. Awarded. Now contribution. C-O-N-T-R-I. Contribution. B-U-T-I-O-N. Now students, Langu. L-A-N-G-U. S-A-G and A-N-D. And you know, literature. L-I-T, lit. Literature. E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Now medical. M-E-D-I, medical cell. Now college, you know, C-O-L-L-E-G-E. Let's clarify these new words more vividly. Of great significance or value. Was given prize and honor. Contribution. Giving something for a common purpose. Language and literature. Words and their use. Stories, poetry, and novels, etc. Now, medical college. On educational institution that provides medical education. So students, let's understand these new words or phrases. Important, students. It is very important to remain neat and clean in this COVID situation. Understood? Important. Now students, awarded. See students, this is the picture of APJ Abdul Kalam. He had awarded with Bharat Ratna, highest award of India. The Odisha Sahitya Academy awarded Pandit Raghunath Murmu for his contribution. Understood? Awarded? Now students, contribution. Pandit Raghunath Murmu's contribution was the Santali Alchiki script. This script. Now students, language and literature. The Odisha Sahitya Academy awarded Pandit Raghunath Murmu for his contribution to Santali language and literature. Understood? Now students, medical college. See students, this is the picture of Pandit Raghunath Murmu Medical College and Hospital, Baripada, Government of Odisha. So students, the Government of Odisha has named the medical college after his name at Baripada. So students, note it. Now students, question 1. fill in the blanks with the missing letters to make a meaningful word. I dash P dash R T A N T. Now in B, A dash D E D. Now in C dash N T R dash B dash T I O N. Now in D, L dash N G dash A G E. Now in E, L dash T E dash A T U R E. Now in F, M dash D I dash A L. Now in G, C dash L L dash G E. So students, let's fill. In A, first I will put M, then O. The word is important. Now in B, first I will put W, then R. The word is awarded. Now in C, first I will put O, then I, then U. The word is contribution. Now in D, I will put A, then U. The word is language. Now in E, first I will put I, then R. The word is literature. Now in F, first I will put E, then C. The word is medical. MEDICAL. Now in G, I will put O, then E. The word is college. COLLEGE. Note it, children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.